Hi guys, this is Abhinav from Jaipur, Rajasthan. I was a part of IT industry and wanted to start something in real estate. And the challenge I was experiencing that I had zero knowledge about the real estate, which is obvious because I was from the different background. On one lucky day, I found an ad of Amit Sir's class on the Facebook. Thought of trying him, and I attended his class, took his plan, and it's been 1 year and 4 months now, and it's been a quite amazing journey. I have my own company in real estate now. And one thing I would like to highlight over here about Amit sir, which quite amazed me. It's been 1 year and 4 months. I have been taking his classes every week, and each time I get to learn a new thing from him, which quite amazes me. He's amazing. He's fantastic. And if you're still thinking about taking his class, do not miss the chance. Grab it now. It's my recommendation from heart. Do not miss this. Grab it now. Thank you.